Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I make at least $1,000 in less than 30 minutes every single day trading the markets. No complicated strategies, no fancy indicators, just a simple, disciplined approach that anyone can follow. Now, before that, let me ask you something. How would an extra $1,000 a day change your life? That's over $20,000 a month. But here's the truth. Most traders never get there because they're making things way too complicated. They're over trading, jumping between dozens of stocks, and holding positions, hoping for that big payday that rarely comes. I was making these exact mistakes until I simplified everything. Now, let me show you how. Now, on this day, I make $3,000 in a 5-minute trade, right? So I'll break down the whole trade to show you how it went. Okay, so first off, market open right over here. Okay, this is 9:30 p.m. Okay, Singapore time, and if you look at the context of where the market was heading prior to that, okay, prior to market open, it was just moving down within this downtrend channel. Okay, so basically a bearish channel. All right, and when market opened over here and it immediately shot up. All right, immediately shot up towards these key level over here at 21,279. Okay, and actually it even went surpassed and broke this key level. So that is when there is a entry signal, okay, where I took an entry and basically just rode all the way up until the next key level, which is 333, right? 21,333. Okay, well, that was it, guys. This trade took about 5 minutes, okay? Made me $3,000, all right? And this trade was, from a RR perspective, a risk to reward perspective, this was a 2.3 risk to reward trade, okay? It doesn't get any easier than that, guys. And it shouldn't be, all right? Because trading should be fun, trading should be stress-free, and trading should be fast, all right? So, and how do you do that? By catching all these, what I call the fast and furious movements. They are setups where you take a position and the price and the market move in your favor immediately after you enter, right? So this is how you keep yourself sane, you keep trading fun and profitable. Now, many people ask me what made all of these possible to be earning $1,000 a day and be a stay-at-home dad, essentially having the three freedoms in life. That is time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Well, I'm going to share with you my 3 hacks that has helped me do that. The first key to my strategy is limiting myself to a maximum of 1 to 2 trades per day. That's it. When I first started, I would make 10 to 15 trades daily, thinking that more trades meant more profit. But all it really meant was more fees, more stress, and more mistakes. Well, here's why this works. You stay fresh and focus on each trade. You only enter when conditions are perfect. You avoid revenge trading after losses. And you maintain mental capital throughout the day. Remember, professional trading is not about activity, it's about precision. Now, the second principle I use is to focus only on 1 to 2 stocks. Right now, I primarily trade the US 100 and occasionally the US 500. Why? Because I know their personalities. I understand how they move. Most traders jump between dozens of different stocks, never truly mastering any of them. They're constantly relearning patterns and behavior. When you focus on just 1 to 2 stocks, you learn their typical daily ranges. You recognize key support and resistance levels. You understand how they react to volume changes, and you develop an almost intuitive feel for their movements. It's like developing a relationship rather than going on endless first dates. And the third and possibly most important principle is to not overstay your trades and don't get greedy expecting home runs in every trade. Just look at the trade that I took earlier. Could it have gone higher? Yes, and it did. But that's not my concern. The market gives you windows of predictability. Beyond that, you are gambling. I'm not trying to capture the entire move. I'm targeting the most predictable portion. That's where the easy money is. You don't need any routine, rituals, or anything. Just the skill set to find and see fast and furious movements. These are explosive movements that goes in your favor immediately after your entry. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but what if there are no good setups that day? Well, simple. I don't trade. Preservation of capital is priority number one. Or what if the market is super hot and there are great opportunities everywhere? Well, I might take a second trade, but never more than two. Discipline beats opportunity all time. If you want to find out exactly which stocks I'm trading and the specific setups I use, be sure to follow my Instagram and Telegram group. Link in description below. Both are free resources, packed with value. And if you found this video useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading insights that actually work. Remember, take 1 to 2 trades max. Focus on 1 to 2 stocks. And don't be greedy. That's how real traders build consistent income. See you in the next video.